Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V6, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you'll first want to turn off your device, and you can do so by swiping down from the top of your screen. And here you should find a power button. If you don't, make sure you swipe down from the right side, click on it, and then select power off. Now when the device turns off, you then want to hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. Now when you feel a vibration, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. Now for this, we do need to open up the device, so I'm going to do so. For some reason, the recovery mode is only visible on the inside display. And here we have our recovery mode. Now we have a couple options like restart, clear data, update mode, and safe mode. Under clear data, we have wipe cache partition along with factory reset. And you can see we can use these options right here by just tapping on them. I'm mentioning that because that's not the norm. Most phones will require you to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to confirm. Now in any case, those are all the options, so I'm just going to leave this mode now by selecting restart, and this will reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.